Teaching tip number 1 for new Pilates teachers. Learn the exercises. I can't tell you how important this is, that you actually know the name and the shape of the exercise. You need to internalize that movement in your own body. It's much, much easier to teach something if you can do the exercise well yourself. Now, we all have challenges. There are some exercises that just feel way too hard and above our pay grade. There are other ways to deal with those exercises and to get better. In the beginning, I suggest that you teach the exercises that you can do and that you've had that felt sense in your body of what it feels like to do that exercise. Leave the ones that you physically struggle with for a little bit later, so that you can build up some teaching strategies. But initially, get to know the shape of those exercises to the best of your ability.